Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is the 10th January and my video topic is woman empowerment. What is mean by woman empowerment? To a woman to give a equal opportunity of the every accept not only to give a opportunity education, corporate sector and job sector, but also woman feel a great, women feel a very safe in our society, and in our society to go anywhere and anytime without any hesitation. Swami Vivekananda said that a wing without a fly in a bird without a fly of a one wings, only one swing. Similarly, the society are not developed without the equality of the woman. These are the introduction of woman empowerment. Following are the some aspect of the woman empowerment. First one is the education system. Woman can empower is a major role to play education. We know in our childhood to listen that the one woman is educated to educated the all over the family. This is known as in Marathi. In Marathi say that the मुलगी शिकली प्रगती झाली. This is known in a best example of education empowerment is to say that Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule they note that woman can educated they develop the society and kill the stereotype mind. This is all the empowerment of education in woman. The second one is the economic independence. Nowadays women are not dependent on other. They economic indicators they give a opportunity of the woman in to grow a career and to get collect a revenue. Nowadays many rights are included in our career sector. The 50% criteria are shown. It is enable to independence of the woman in economic sector, and they are not dependent on other. This is a very important of the developed nation and economics growth of the nation. Third is empowerment legal rights of the women in our advocate and either to give equal rights of the woman same as the men. Any other discrimination. And third is the to empowerment of the to kill the stereotype mindset. In this now current situation, the stereotype mindset are not that, but in early 90s or 80s, the very stereotype mindset they kill the stereotype mindset is a woman can grow our child. It is not great. They grow every aspects of the thing. Third is a global collaboration. In global collaboration is the woman to develop the woman in our every asset. Is the third one is to feel a woman very safe and secure. When women and girls are go anywhere or anytime, they feel very safe or equal of as compared to the men. They are not any hesitation to go anywhere or any time. This is to give a confidence to the woman. When woman can create anything or can achieve anything, they give a global confidence to the woman to develop to develop hormones. That's why the confidence of the woman and giving and they develop the develop. In this all the points are discussed in the woman empowerment. Woman empowerment is a major role to play our nation building because without a woman the nation cannot build and cannot develop. In our history, the woman is a major role to play a development of development. Like example, Rajmata Jijau to develop the Shivaji Maharaj, and some other example of the woman. The woman is very important of the human beings. They are give equal rights and equal opportunity of the all the actually this is a today's topic discussed. Thank you.